To change the demand drive or front gearcase fluid on your Pro XD Kinetic, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Then, if needed, remove the front tire on the passenger side for ease of access and support the vehicle securely with a jack stand. Next, place a drain pan under the drain plug on the bottom right-hand side. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Before removing, clean the area around the fill plug. Then, remove the fill plug and set aside. Next, move under the vehicle and locate the drain plug through the hole in the skid plate. Continue by cleaning the area around the drain plug. Then, remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Before continuing, clean any residual fluid around the drain plug. Next, add the recommended fluid to the bottom of the fill plug hole. Do not overfill. Then, reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Before continuing, clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Next, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. Finally, if previously removed, reinstall the front passenger wheel and torque to specification. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.